Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how I set up my PCV side of the catch can. As you can see, I've already taken the intercooler off, and as you can see, I've replaced my OEM pitch stop mount. I've replaced it with a white line mount. It's pretty sturdy, solid unit down here. Well, it's a good thing to do while the intercooler is out. And as you can see, like, I'll show you how I routed my hosing. um if you see underneath here, there, yep, that connection, that thing I got going towards my 2-port catch can, so it's gonna go into the input. And the PCV, which is right underneath here, I had this throttle body off, I put it back on again, and if you can see, it's right there, it's coming underneath, and it's coming underneath, and it's going through here, in there, in there, take the S band all the way back into the catch can there. Right, it's just a simple video of how I routed my hoses. Oh, and the best thing is, like, this hose, that's a 5/8, plus your PCV port underneath here, that's a 5/8 too, and everything else is 1/2 inch. As you can see, I've used some hose adapters here. So yeah, quick and easy video. If you guys have any questions, just let me know.